Hey friends, if you're facing the issue Microsoft Store not opening Windows 11 or Windows 10, so in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error. So first of all, simple, follow these steps. Drag your mouse to taskbar and right click on it. Here you can see the task manager option. Just click on it and scroll down a little bit. Find Windows Explorer. Here you can see, right click on it and simple click on restart option and close this window and reboot your system. Check your problem is solved or not. If not solved, follow the second method. Simply drag your mouse to search box and type here run and hit the enter button and type here reset and hit the enter button on your keyboard. It will fix your Microsoft Store cache, clear Microsoft Store cache. And after follow these steps, simple reboot your system and check your problem is solved or not. If not solved, follow the third method. Third method is click on the window icon. Here you can see, just click on setting gear icon. Now click on apps option, scroll down a little bit, find Microsoft Store. Here you can see Microsoft Store, just click on it and open advanced option. Scroll down little bit. First of all, tap terminate option. After click terminate option, check your problem is solved or not. If not solved, simply click on reset option. Sometimes Microsoft Store not working, not opening, so if you click reset option, it will fix your problems automatically. After clicking reset option, just simple close this window and check your problem is solved or not. If not solved, now move on to the final method. Final method, it create a new user account. Simply drag your mouse to window icon, just click on it and again open setting. Now open account option. So here you can see the option sign in with a Microsoft account instead. Just click this option and now click on create one option. So now you can type a new email address here and just click on next option. After creating Microsoft new account, just close this window and again open Microsoft Store. Check your problem is solved or not. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please do subscribe and like this video. So yeah guys.